पर्यटना खातीर फामाद आशिल्ल्या कळंगूट वाठारांत थळाव्या लोकां वांगडा ल्हान व्हड गेस्ट हाऊस, रिसॉर्ट्स आनी व्हड 5 स्टार हॉटेलांय वाडत आसात. हाका लागून ह्या वाठारांत वीज पुरवण वारंवार खंडीत जाता अश्यो कागाळी थळाव्या लोकांकडल्यान आयल्यात. हो प्रश्न कायमचो सोडोवपा खातीर सुमार 25 कोटी रुपया खर्च करून बांदिल्लो हो वीज उपकेंद्र 14 नोव्हेंबराक उच्च क्षमतेन सुरू करतले अशी माहिती कळंगूटचो आमदार मायकल लोबोन दिली. शेनवारा पुराय जाल्ल्या वीज उपकेंद्राच्या इमारतीची पळोवणी केले उपरांत तो उलयतालो.
We need entire coastal belt of North Goa, this side, up to Shiolim, Vagator, Anjana Vagator, Shapara, all that, Arpara Naga, all this area require a dedicated powerhouse, like how we have in Kolwale. Tosle, that is a very big one, old technology, आता new technology also सारखे compact transformers, compact. There are no transformers which are open and which goes higher and higher with those big poles and आता compact transformers येयले हे सगळे latest technology जे घेवन हें काम फुडें व्हरपाचें गरज आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता हें जाता तितले बेगीन आमी करपाक जाय because infrastructure in the coastal belt is very much required. If we don't give this infrastructure to the hotels, to the guest houses and to the local people who are in businesses, different types of businesses, then we are just heading towards a dead end. Same way water, उदकाचें काम वयर चालू आहा. पिलेन इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान थिंगा फिल्ट्रेशन प्लांट आतां येवपाची काम चालू आहा. थिंगा सगळें वॉटर पायपलायन येवपाची गरज आहा तिलारीची आनी तितून म्हाका दिसता हें काम उदकाचें आमकां खुबशें काम फुडें वयतलें. The shortage of water, we around 30 MLD plant ready झाले काय आमकां कांदोलीम, कलंगूट, सालिगांव constituency, Geet and all our Uparanagwa and all areas will get sufficient water. Remember, this is a tentative date Chief Minister has given, 14th November. Maybe 1 or 2 days after that, or maybe on 14th. This is the tentative date दिल्ली आहा, थिंकाय date येयल्ली आहा. So they have to make every arrangements ready.